Have you ever placed your hard-earned money into a bank, only to feel let down by their service? Imagine entrusting your financial future to an institution that promises the world but delivers an atlas with pages missing. Hidden fees that creep into your account, interest rates that inflate without warning, and a digital experience that's stuck in the last decade. Could this be the one bank you're better off without? Let's peel back the curtain and scrutinize whether this bank is a silent partner in your success or a silent threat to your financial journey. Now let's explore what lies beneath their glossy facade. A closer look at fee structures. It's easy to get entangled in the allure of flashy banking services, but the real cost often lurks in the fine print. Let's zoom in on the fee structures of our banking culprit. Maintenance fees might sound benign, a small price to pay for your account's upkeep, right? Wrong. These fees can chip away at your balance just for the privilege of having an account. Then there are transaction fees, a little pinch each time you move your money, whether it's paying bills online or transferring funds to friends. And let's not forget the infamous overdraft fees, the financial penalties for when life's unexpected expenses catch you off guard. These aren't just nickel and dime charges. They're systematic drains on your hard-earned money, turning what should be a financial haven into a pit of lost pennies and dimes. Interest rate illusions. Now let's talk about the carrot dangled in front of so many hopeful faces. The interest rate. It's the number that can make your eyes sparkle with dreams of cheap loans and high-return savings. But beware, the interest rate you sign up for might not be the one you end up with. This particular bank is notorious for its now you see it, now you don't policy. They advertise a rate so low it practically winks at you. Yet, as soon as you're comfortably within their grasp, those rates inflate like a hot air balloon. Except you're not soaring high, you're weighed down by payments you didn't sign up for. We'll dissect how these introductory offers are little more than a mirage designed to lure you into a long-term commitment that benefits the bank far more than it benefits you. Navigating the customer service maze. Engaging with your bank shouldn't be a trial by fire. Yet for many customers of the bank in our spotlight, it's like embarking on an odyssey without a map. When you finally navigate the automated phone tree and reach out for a human connection, you're met with a robotic response that loops back to square one. Why is this a deal breaker? In the midst of a financial hiccup, timely support isn't just a convenience, it's a lifeline. This bank's customer service labyrinth is not just frustrating. It's a tangible reflection of how they value customer relationships. Poor service can leave you stranded in financial limbo, and we'll reveal how this bank's approach to customer service is more than just an annoyance. It's a red flag for anyone who values accessibility and support in their banking experience. The digital banking dilemma. Let's pivot to the digital domain, where agility should be synonymous with banking. However, this bank's archaic online presence is akin to finding a dial-up connection in a high-speed world. In an era where you can order a meal, book a vacation, or even find a date with a tap on your screen, why should managing your money be any different? It's not just about aesthetics. Functionality is critical. Banking apps and online platforms that glitch or grind to a halt are more than just a thorn in your digital side. They're obstacles on your financial track. An effective digital banking platform should be an empowering tool, not a hindrance. In this segment, we'll uncover how this bank's digital shortcomings could be inadvertently commandeering your financial ship off course. Security, the Achilles heel. In the fortress of finance, security is the unbreachable wall that guards your wealth. Yet at this bank, it's more of a ceremonial fence. Security breaches and lapses have become the norm, not the exception. Why should you care? Because in the world of digital finance, your personal data is as valuable as the currency in your account. Weak encryption and flawed authentication are the chinks in the armor that expose you to the cyber barbarians at the gate. We'll delve into the chilling details of how this bank's security shortcomings could invite risks that have far-reaching consequences, affecting not just your bank balance, but your identity itself. Security isn't just a feature, it's the foundation. And this bank's shaky ground could mean hazardous cracks in your financial life. Ethical practices in question. The moral compass of a bank should guide its decision-making, yet the bank we're scrutinizing seems to be navigating through murky waters. Ethical banking is not just a buzzword. It's a commitment to transparency, integrity, and responsibility. However, this institution's track record of investing in questionable ventures and the lack of transparency in their dealings raises red flags. From financing environmentally dubious projects to ambiguous charges that customers face, these practices paint a picture of a bank that may not align with your ethical standards. In this segment, we'll peel back the layers of this bank's operations, exposing the disconnect between their polished public image and the reality of their business practices. Choosing a bank should be about aligning with an entity that reflects your values and ethical expectations, not compromising them. Finding the right bank for you. Wrapping up our journey, the quest to find a bank that treats you as more than just an account number is paramount. As we've navigated the perilous waters of the banking world, we've learned that the ideal bank should be a partner in your financial growth. It's about more than just rates and services. It's about finding a banking ally that stands for fairness, practices strong security protocols, and speaks the language of clarity. In our final takeaway, we'll provide you with a compass to discern the qualities of a bank that not only respects your money but respects you as an individual. We'll share tips on what to look for, questions to ask, and how to spot red flags. After all, your bank should empower your financial climb, not hinder it. As we wrap up our journey through the maze of hidden fees, elusive rates, and customer service dead ends, it's clear that not all banks are created equal. In the realm of personal finance, your choice of bank can significantly impact your journey towards financial success. With the insights we've shared today, you're now equipped to make a more informed decision, one that could mean the difference between just getting by and truly getting ahead. Thank you for joining us here at Finance Forge, where we're dedicated to honing your financial acumen. If today's content resonated with you, or if you've ever had a banking experience that left you second-guessing your choices, we'd love to hear your story in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, share this with your friends who might be on the brink of a banking blunder, and of course, subscribe to stay sharp with your finances, because every click helps us bring more value to you. Remember, your capital and creativity should always be on the rise. So, until next time, keep climbing.